So here's a 2019 Hino, and we have check engine light, little turtle, there's a little emission button that helps with the idling. So the reason why we have two radios, because the truck wouldn't shift, and I will show you what you have to do before, again I repeat, before we install the radio. So here's the radio out. The dash is all disassembled, very simple. Clip, clip, all clips, all clips. And we have cigarette lighter plug, hazard plug, very simple. Little clip, push in. Same with the emissions. Push in. And you got 4 10 mils holding in the radio. And here's the factory radio. Not in the same location it came in, but moved over one spot because of this wire. This little red wire prevented this guy from driving. There's a speed sense wire, and what it does, it sends a signal to the computer. And what we did was just steel power. You got your yellow, you got your red, and to verify we just used a regular old Metro harness. And I recommend do not use this harness, because the jumper is for a power antenna on a regular Toyota. So I cut them all out to extend the wires. But make it easier, just cut these wires or rip them out of the plug. You won't need them, because the wire sitting next to it is actually a ground wire. If you can look real close, you got a white black right next to that red wire. It actually grounds out this wire and screws up the computer, and he can't drive. Kind of sucks when you have a $1,000 system, actually $1,700 paid for this thing, and camera, put it in, doesn't want to shift. We got Sirius XM stuffed back there in the dash somewhere, we can see it. All the extra cabling fits nice behind this pocket. So you got to do this before you put this radio in. Just cut that red wire, so they claim. I didn't do that. I like having things factory style. So this red wire is still connected to the factory radio with a plug, and that's the only thing we needed. We cut the speakers out of the way. We used them for the aftermarket radio. Just 2 front speakers, no big deal. You know, you can use the Metro plug to verify what's what. You know, what's power and ground for the speakers, what's hot, which is the yellow, and you got the red, the black, it's ground. I didn't hook up the dimmer, who cares? This thing's not going to be driven at night, but you could. That didn't give us any problems. So, another great challenge conquered for a 2019 Hino Box Truck. Fun stuff.